guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to curl my hair using the NuMe wand. I have a previous video on this wand. I used the medium-sized barrel. So now that I have my long hair extensions, I figured I'd do another video showing me using the largest barrel that comes in the Titan 3-in-1 set. So this is the largest barrel. It's the NuMe wand. It's the interchangeable wand that comes with 3 barrels. This is the biggest one. This size I like to use for long hair. I'm gonna curl my hair using the biggest barrel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to my channel if you want to see more beauty videos by me. And let's get started. Okay, so I just plugged the wand in. It shows in Celsius. It has a little LED screen and plus or minus on and off. Has a nice swivel cord, just like I shown in the previous video. So I usually just heat it up to the automatic setting. I'm not sure if my hair extension hair, how it's gonna go, but we'll just try the automatic setting. It's getting hot in here. So I am just gonna section my hair weft by weft or row by row, whatever you wanna call it. This is a lot of hair, I'm not used to it. So I already have heat protectant already in my hair. I washed my hair today and it's just blow dried. It's so tangly. Let me see if I can sit back. Now my hair is like so long. So this is the bottom layer. So it looks like it's all ready to go. It heats up so fast. That feels pretty hot. So I'm just gonna leave it at the automatic setting it heats up to. And this weft isn't very thick. So I think I'm just gonna split it into 2 pieces. Honestly, I feel like I could just do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 pieces because I'd rather have big voluminous, look how crazy I look right now. I'd rather have big voluminous waves, so I just start and I just wrap and hold for a few seconds. Okay, nice big wave. Obviously my short hair is at an awkward length, but that's okay. So that definitely curled that whole piece of hair. Awesome. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Give a nice big curl. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna do the rest to my head. I'm gonna zoom it through and we'll see what it does. Okay guys, so I just finished. I showed you 2 different ways of me curling my bangs. Well, they're not even bangs, they're just like long face framing pieces. This side didn't turn out too good, so I'm gonna redo that. I'm probably gonna retouch up my bangs, but I just wanted to show you. This is it all done. It looks a little crazy, but I like to brush through it once they're cooled, so they're pretty cooled. So I like soft waves. I don't really like curls. I like straighter ends, just more relaxed look in general. Now I know these waves will hold. My NuMe wand like holds curls so well. Just gives like a nice soft effect, and it always gives a nice shine, and I don't know, it just never lets me down. And I love having the 3 different sizes of the barrels. It gives you different options. You can, you know, even like do this first and then switch it to the medium barrel and retouch any of the curls or do some tighter ones and mix it up. So obviously my natural hair is at an awkward length right now, so it's like right here. It's gonna be awkward until it grows a little longer. All right, so here we go. Big voluminous waves. I love it. Really quick and easy. They're really soft, bouncy, smooth, not frizzy. My hair doesn't feel fried. It was super quick. I'm gonna show you the back. I'll try to show you the back. So you can then add texture spray, finishing spray. I don't use any hairspray. I sometimes will use some texture spray up here to give me a little more volume and lift. I honestly love this curling wand. I've had it for a few years. I love the interchanging barrels, and it's just a really great curling wand. I love it so much. You can't go wrong with it. If you're looking for a curling wand that has interchangeable barrels, I would definitely recommend this. Again, this is the NuMe 3-in-1 Titan curling wand. I have another video using the medium barrel. I will link it up here. That's when I had shorter hair before I had my hair extensions in. I can definitely do another video with my long hair using that one also, if you guys are interested. So guys, if you like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to my channel if you want to see all things beauty by me. If you have any comments, let me know down below. If you have any suggestions for curling irons, curling wands, straighteners, any kind of hair device, let me know down below. I'm always curious to try new things, always on the hunt for the next best thing. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.